Good evening and salam Sarawak kusayang. These are the news at 8. The headlines. Public are seen still stubborn, attempt on taking buses to get to their destination. Military troops may be mobilized if movement control order compliance unsatisfactory. Avoid taking ibuprofen for COVID-19 symptoms, says WHO. As we enter the second day of the movement control order, there are still individuals seen still wandering around the city of Kuching. A survey done by our crew at the Kuching Central Terminal this afternoon has shown that many are still ignoring the order and continue to board on bus despite announcement made by Prime Minister Tan Sri Muhyiddin Yassin last night urging the public to stay where they are. Sarawak General Hospital SGH and Miri Hospitals denied rumours regarding donation to help the hospital's officers in fighting the COVID-19. According to the official notice of disclaimer from SGH and Miri Hospital, many non-governmental associations went viral in social media claiming that they are doing the donation in order to help the government hospitals. The two hospitals stressed that they have never represented anyone to hold a donation campaign and urged the public to follow the right procedures for donation from the hospitals and Ministries of Health Malaysia. Military troops may be mobilized if the people's level of compliance with the movement control order to contain the spread of COVID-19 is deemed unsatisfactory. But as for now, Defence Minister Datuk Sri Ismail Sabri Yaakob said he is fully confident that the police were capable of enforcing the order.
Saya harap rakyat mematuhi perintah yang dikeluarkan oleh kerajaan. Tujuan perintah ini bukan untuk menyusahkan rakyat, tetapi tujuannya adalah untuk menjaga kesihatan dan juga menjaga nyawa rakyat. Ya, kalau kita lihat daripada laporan yang diberikan oleh Kementerian Kesihatan, setiap hari kes-kes baru bertambah. Setiap hari ada pertambahan kes. Walaupun kita berdoa bahawa tidak ada lagi kematian, tetapi sudah ada 2 kematian yang dilaporkan.
On the first day of the movement control order implementation, he said only 60% of Malaysians complied the order.
Dan setakat semalam, sebanyak 504 sekatan jalan raya telah pun dilaksanakan di seluruh negara. 6,135 kenderaan telah pun diperiksa. Dan setakat hari ini, pihak polis mengambil tindakan yang berhemah, menasihati sahaja. Dan saya percaya kalau pematuhan ini masih tidak meningkat, saya percaya akhirnya pihak polis terpaksa menggunakan undang-undang.
Meanwhile, the government has cancelled the Visit Malaysia 2020 campaign due to the COVID-19 situation. Minister of Tourism, Arts and Culture Dato' Sri Nancy Shukri said the ministry had to freeze many tourism-related services due to the movement control order from March 18 to 31st, but all tourist accommodations are allowed to operate at a minimum level. She added the services include all counters and online services at the Tourism Licensing Division and ministry offices in the states, such as licensing of tour companies, tour guides, tourism accommodations, spas and food reflexology centres. After French officials warned that anti-inflammatory drugs could worsen effects of the virus, the World Health Organization stressed that people suffering from COVID-19 symptoms must avoid taking ibuprofen. The warning by French Health Minister Olivier Véran followed a recent study in the Lancet Medical Journal that hypothesized that an enzyme boosted by anti-inflammatory drugs such as ibuprofen could facilitate and worsen COVID-19 infections. He further stressed that patients already being treated with anti-inflammatory drugs should ask advice from their doctors. And that is all from me. I'm Yumis Reni for TV Sarawak, anytime, anywhere.